to Yoga Today. My name's Amanda Botur. In this quick tip, we're going to be breaking down high lunge into some variations and into the full asana. Krista's going to be demonstrating on how to do that. I'm going to have her start in downward facing dog just so it's easier for her to get her leg forward. So Krista, if you want to take downward facing dog, and then if you can, bring the right leg in between the hands. So for starters, just lower the back knee to the ground. Keep the toes of the back foot tucked underneath you. And once you're here, draw that right hip back slightly and bring both hands on top of the right thigh. Just engage here. Lower belly comes back. As that lower belly comes back, it really draws the energy up through the spine and out through the crown of the head. So this is the first. This is actually low lunge that we're experiencing here. Your hands can then come up by your ears if that feels good. Yeah, all the way up to touch. Now if your shoulders are pretty integrated, bring the palms of the hands together. And if that feels good, keep the upper arms on the level of the ears. Keep the lower belly drawing back and up. Good, and then exhale, bring the hands down through the center. Place both hands down on either side of the right foot. So now we're going to flow to a high lunge. I'm going to give her a little bit of space so she can create that in her back leg. The elements of lunge that are so important, you can just stay here, Krista, for a second so you don't come up and have to wait for me, is keep this back thigh lifted to the sky. The right thigh is parallel to the earth and really kind of dropping down. You resist the urge for the right knee to come beyond the ankle or for the left knee depending on what side you're on. So you really feel this kind of drawing back of the front shin. The lifting of the back thigh, the grounding, and then the rising up that happens. There's also a squeezing to the midline that happens in lunge. It's so important to establish these 4 elements of lunge because that's what creates the strong base. So from here you can start by just bringing both hands on top of the right thigh. See if you can feel the movements, and if you look down and you see that the knee is beyond the ankle, go ahead and go a little wider. Keep lifting through the back thigh. Again, lower belly backing up so you really catch the energy and don't drop through the front side of the body. And then bring the hands all the way up to the sky, again in Prayer-Anjali Mudra, or wider if that feels better. So here's lunge to start with. Keep the back thigh lifted. Good. Here's some arm variations for you. Widen the elbows out to the side like a saguaro cactus. Now here, tack the shoulder blades back behind you. Offer the heart forward, but catch the energy a little bit so that you're not dropping forward through the front side of the body, but really keeping the front and back side of the body hugging equally. Good, another arm variation is she's going to take her hands behind her, interlace them, and see if she can plug them into the back thigh. Now you're plugging into the back thigh and the back thigh plugging into the hands, so you create this balanced action that offers you a space to move even deeper into maybe a little back bend here, or maybe not. Good, gaze, stay steady. It's very hard to keep your balance outside, so she's doing an amazing job. Free the arms back up by the ears, and then come down through the center line. And Krista's going to step back into a downward facing dog so she can rest. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tip. For full length classes, please visit YogaToday.com. Thank you so much for joining us. Namaste.